Hey everyone, on this lesson we are going to introduce Google Colab. Colab is a Google platform that allows us to write and execute Python code through the browser. We are going to use Google Colab when programming in Python for two main reasons. The first of them is that it is a free platform, anyone can use it, and also that Google Colab allows us to visualize our results in a very easy and intuitive way. To create a new Google Colab notebook, it is very easy. We can just go to our Google Drive. In my case, I'm inside a folder called Course, so we can just go right-click, we go to More, and Google Collaboratory. This will create a new Colab notebook. So we just go right click, Google Collaboratory. As we can see, this creates a new Google Colab notebook. Here we have the name of the notebook. We can title this any name. We can just say test, right? Now the file extension, as we can see, is IPYNB. This file extension stands for the Jupyter Notebook file. Jupyter Notebook is an interactive web application used for creating and sharing computational documents for analysis using Python. Now, on a notebook, we can add code and we can also add text. For instance, we can add a text here, and let's just type, this is a text, this is a text. We can also add a text to be a heading type with hashtag. This basically means that this is going to be the title, as we can see, and here we have a code window that we can just add Python code. Remember that notebooks are implemented in Python, so we can just, for instance, print hello world, for instance. To run this code window, we can just press Ctrl Enter or just press this play key. So as we can see, after pressing the play button, we have run this command and we can see on the output hello world. We can also print, for instance, a sum of two natural numbers, like so, and here we see that the result is 8. So now we're ready to start programming in Python in this notebook. Google Colab is really very practical, and that's why we are going to use it along this course.